In this video, we are going to learn how to change theme language in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. The first thing all you need to do is to log in with your Shopify account. And once you're here, click over on online store, as you can see in the left menu. Once it will load it, what you're gonna do, you have to scroll down and you can see this is our current theme, which is Dawn, and it is currently now applied over on my store, where I'll show you, as you can see, and the default language here is the English. So in order to change the language, what I can do, I have to scroll this left menu, click over on settings option right here, and once you're in settings, again scroll down and you will find languages right here, and over on languages, again scroll down and you will find published languages, and default language will be English. So click over on change default, so you can change the language from English to any of the language you want. So let's select the French and click on save. And once it completes, now wait for a few seconds until this loads. Okay, so when I go over on my store and refresh the page, and boom, you will see now the product titles are in French. So this is how you can change the theme language over on your Shopify store. So let's say let's do with another language. Let's say again go over on settings, scroll down, languages, and again click on change default. This time let's do with the German. Click save, and once I get back to my store here, and when I refresh the page, you can see the product titles now are in German. So this is how you can change language of your store. So for today's video, guys, thank you so much for watching.